Administration is currently reviewing a request by a California company to put its silicone breast implants back on the market. And in 1992, silicone implants were banned after numerous claims that they cause breast cancer and autoimmune diseases like lupus and connective tissue disorders. Now, there is also the risk of rupture and leakage with silicone. Now, Beverly Hills plastic surgeon Brent Mulliken is here with information about the difference between silicone breast implants and, of course, the ones that are available to everybody out there, the saline. And you've got some over here right now. Which one is which, doctor?
Well, this is the silicone gel breast implant. And this is what all the hoopla is about. These implants look and feel more realistic. That's why people like them. There's a great clamor to have these implants to be able to put into ladies.
Now, what exactly was that ruling that we heard about? It was Inamed versus Mentor. Inamed was denied it, and then Mentor, they're recommending, the FDA is recommending it. Is that right?
Well, both companies put in an application to the FDA advisory committee, and both of them tried to say the silicone gel implants are safe. And one of the applications was rejected, and one the very next day was approved, although the implants are very, very similar. So it's kind of odd. And we don't know absolutely whether the FDA is going to accept this recommendation or not.
Okay, now this is the saline, and you can see this is more like a gel-like, and this is more like water. They say that these kind of, they rupture, these rupture, right?
Well, actually, any implant can rupture.
Can rupture, right.
Yeah. Any implant can rupture. They just get old, and they can fail.
And these wrinkle, they're saying that's why a lot of people want the silicone back on the market?
That is the biggest reason. Silicone gel looks and feels more realistic. It looks and feels more like breast tissue, and it doesn't ripple as much. So that's the key with the with silicone gel. That's why it's so desirable.
All right, now you've got something here. It's another one of the implants. It's a teardrop. It doesn't really look that different, but I guess if you kind of take a better look at it.
Right.
It's teardrop shape?
Right. This is a teardrop-shaped implant, and it looks more like a teardrop when we're holding it in our hands. But it turns out that when you put it in the body and it kind of gets smushed from both sides, my belief is that they're very similar to the round implants. So I don't put in that many teardrop-shaped implants.
You don't? Okay.
I don't.
Because of what again?
I think they look almost the same when it gets in the body.
Anyhow, okay. So what do you think that women out there need to know about implants? What is the most important thing that they need to know?
The most important thing for ladies to be aware of is that implants don't last forever. They're going to have revisional surgeries. They're going to need more surgery in the future.
How long, how many years do you have to wait? I mean, is it a 10-year? They say 10 years. Every 10 years you're going to have to get them replaced?
Yes. Every 10 or 15 years or so, you may have to go back for a redo of the surgery.
Okay, well, we're going to take a break right now, and we're going to thank you so much for telling us all about this. I mean, I think it's really important. Do you think that these are going to be back on the market real quick?
I think they will be.
I think they will be, too.
With restrictions.
All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Mulliken, for joining us this morning. If you want any more information about Dr. Mulliken and links to the American Society of Plastic Surgeons, just check out our hotline or KTLA.com for more information. Again, thanks, Doctor. Appreciate it.